This is a TST video on how to change the O-ring in your battery compartment on one of our new cap sensors. So the first thing you're going to do is use the wrench that was provided. You're going to unscrew the bottom and actually take the cap off. Now, originally this had an O-ring right here going all the way around. The O-rings will deteriorate after time, and then you have to change them sometimes when you remove the cap and you have to change your battery out. So that's what's happened to this particular sensor. So we're going to take a new O-ring, and my method is to hold it with my thumb, pull it around the sensor, make sure you push it all the way down to the base and get it seated. Grab the cap, screw the cap back on, take your wrench, tighten it up, and that's all there is to changing the battery compartment O-ring.
For customer support and additional information, please visit tsttruck.com or contact us using the information shown above.